Hello guys, welcome to Start Tech. In this video, we are going to connect Shizuku app with our mobile. Follow the steps and don't skip. After downloading the Shizuku app, you need to unlock the developer option. Open app info and tap build number 8 times. Automatically the developer option is enabled. Open the developer option and enable the wireless debugging option. Enable wireless debugging option. If you can't enable it, check your Wi-Fi. Open the Suzuki app and select pair and select developer option and go to wireless debugging option and pair with the code, then click start. Now this page automatically close after the connection. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt about this video and this app, comment on this video. I will help you. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.